Namaste everyone. My name is Dr. Jankhana Butch, Chief Medical Officer, Apollo Ayurveda Hospitals. Today let's talk about a phenomena which is known as Raynaud's phenomena. And this is mostly seen in young women 30, 35 or nearing to 40. We see this presentation in form where patients complained to us about having changes in the color of their extremities. We see patients presenting with numbness, tingling sensation, pain, and in severe condition they present with ulcers. So let us understand what is Raynaud's phenomena. Raynaud's phenomena is a condition in which there is constriction or vasospasm of blood flow, and especially to the extremities, that is upper extremities, to the palm and to hands, to fingers, especially when we see this presentation. There are two types of presentation which we normally come across: primary Raynaud's and secondary Raynaud's. In primary Raynaud's, there is no known cause. There is no specific cause or any other underlying cause. It just happens where there is pain, numbness, the extremities turn white or gradually they turn blue and then finally red. The color change is very prominent. But usually this presentation in primary Raynaud's is very mild in severity. Often it is triggered by change in environment, change in temperature, or by stress. And its method to mitigate it is also to stay away from these aggravating factors. At times it is self-limiting, and patients do well over a period of time. In secondary Raynaud's phenomena, we do see the similar type of a pattern where there is pain, numbness, tingling sensation, color changes in extremities from white, blue to red, and finally ulcers. The main difference between primary Raynaud's and secondary Raynaud's is that there is always an underlying disease condition or a medical condition which is evolving, or it has evolved, and that leads to Raynaud's phenomena. For example, patients having inflammatory condition like autoimmune arthritis, Sjogren's syndrome, vasculitis, and so on. In this condition, for having this inflammation for a long time, patient goes through the process in the body where there is vasoconstriction, vasospasm, leading to restricted blood flow. And this leads to the tip of fingers changing their color and resulting in pain and ulcer.